To create alarm in Motorola Signature, first of all, we'll need to click on our clock on the main screen. So in home screen, just select the clock and then you'll be able to set up alarms. Now we can click on this plus button and start the setup for the alarm. You can change the time when it should ring. If you're using 12 hours clock, then you can switch between AM and PM. Click on OK, and that way we already created our alarm. We can click on it again to adjust the settings. You can schedule the alarm for specific days. You can change the name for that alarm as well, switch to different sound. You can also use YouTube Music or Spotify Music if you have those apps. And you can then go to vibrate to activate or deactivate vibrations for this specific alarm. And no, I don't want to ask anything for Moto AI. And then we can also set up routines for it as well. Now, when it's ready, click on save, and that way we just created our alarm. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.